If you want to stop Apple Pay auto-renewal for a subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage all your device settings, including subscriptions. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This will lead you to your account information. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. In your Apple ID settings, find and tap on Subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of all active and expired subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Step 4. Choose the subscription. Scroll through the list and select the subscription you want to stop auto-renewal for. This will open the details for that specific subscription. Step 5. Turn off auto-renewal. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription or Turn off auto-renew. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice and ensure that auto-renewal is disabled. By following these steps, you can successfully stop auto-renewal for your Apple Pay subscriptions. Make sure to check your subscriptions periodically to manage them effectively.